to Officially Coco. I'm gonna keep it rolling. This will be another video I will be uploading for y'all. This is pretty much like my tennis shoes that I recently bought off of Finish Line. They had Filas, and I'm back in the day Fila type of girl, and I saw that they had a couple of them on sale, and I took advantage of them. This is the box it came in. This is Trigate. I got these in red, so it's white, red, and black. It says black, but this don't look like black. This is like navy blue. I did get this in the size. These are women's shoes. I normally get men, but these are women. Okay, so they left the tag on it. So I normally buy a 9.5, but this time I just got a 10. Let me take this off, because I don't even think I need this. Let me be careful. I'll take it off later because I'm too rough and I'll tear the shoe apart. But anyway, this is, let me stick it in. So this is it's supposed to be black, but it's blue. So it's red, white, and blue. So this is the shoe. Get a little detail. And this is a size 10. So the back of it. It looks black, but it's not black, y'all. It's blue. So I got these. I haven't worn them yet. I've pretty much just been buying tennis shoes like crazy. So I have not worn these yet. They were on sale on Finish Line for $45, like I said. And I think they still have them. I'm quite sure they still do, because I bought these like a week ago. And then I bought this pair as well. Okay, this tag on it as well. Let's push that in. I'll take that off later. So I got the pink ones too. Now, I'm really not big on pink like that. I'll wear pink, but I'm not big on pink, like red, blue, black, gray, stuff like that. But I just, why not? It was on sale. So these were $45 as well. Not bad, right? So once I learn how to get on the treadmill again, gyms, I know some gyms opening up, but even just go for a walk, it's time. I've been home quarantining. Well, not even, since the quarantine, and then, it's limited, you still have to wear your mask and stuff. So I'm just going to keep it safe. Just go for a walk and have my mask on. Not run now, because I ain't trying to pass out. But I got these to get me along the way. I have leggings. I have plenty of leggings and sweatpants, so I'm not worried about that. But I just wanted to stop in and show y'all these. So you can go on the website. Let me get the other one too. You can go on the website, which is Finish Line, and you can pick up these two if y'all interested. And I'll put the link in the description so y'all know. So yeah, these are pretty nice. I like the tip of it. So yeah, I snagged these two. I just wanted to show y'all a couple of pair of shoes I got myself into. I'm more of a heel girl, boots and the stilettos, stuff like that, and sandals. I like stuff like that, and my little jewelry and stuff. But I was like, let's just get some tennis shoes, because it's time for a change. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all the Filas. Back in the day, they bringing them back. They looking good. So why not snag them? So I did a good deal. Got 2 pair for $90. So I think that was excellent. I did not pay for shipping, so that was good, because again, I use promos. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I just stop by real quick and show y'all what I snag on the website. I usually hate waiting for my stuff to ship, but it came pretty quick in 3 or 4 days. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna give up on shipping, because at this point you can't always do things curbside assistance. So I'm taking it all in, and I'm being more patient when it comes to that. So yeah, I wanted to thank y'all again for stopping back and then watching Officially Coco, and make sure you live every day, every second, every hour to the fullest. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.